This video is instruction in completing RP5 and RP6. Both of these steps are fairly short, which is why we're doing them at the same time. As in the past, I will go through each of the steps and then I will demonstrate them. So let us turn to RP5 first. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open RP4 and RP5. RP5 should be blank. Copy RP4 to RP5. In RP4 you should have a thesis statement that is in black at the top of the page, at least 4 paragraphs, at least 1 note in each paragraph, and at least 2 notes in at least 1 paragraph. A note is both the quotation and the paraphrase with the parenthetical citations on each. Notes should be in red type. 2 lines of commentary for each note showing how you connect the note to the topic sentence. This commentary should be in green. And a topic and concluding sentence for each paragraph. Both should be in black. So now you have 3 things to accomplish in RP5. First, you're going to write the concluding paragraph. The first sentence is a restatement of the thesis without the reasons. This means you do not include the comma, because, and finish. You just end with a restatement of the thesis. The second is a restatement of the reasons. Now this can be 1 paragraph, but since you have 4 reasons, you may want to use 2, 3, or even 4 to complete that section. That is up to you. But you do need to restate the reasons here in the concluding paragraph. And the third is a general statement about the topic. Next thing you want to do is to write the introduction. So now you go back up to the top of the document over your thesis, and you're going to write your first sentence. This should be a hook, something to grab the reader's attention. It could be a really striking statistic that you have in your notes. If you're going to use anything from your notes, make sure you leave the parenthetical in there so that you get credit for doing that research. The second sentence is a connection between that hook and the thesis. And the third is the thesis statement, which you've already written. The final step for RP5 is to choose which portion of each note you will use. You will choose either the quotation or the paraphrase. Make sure you're not using all quotations and all paraphrases, but choose the one you're going to do and remove the second. So now let's go and see how we get from RP4 to RP5. So we will open up RP4 here, and this is an RP4 that is written by another student and seems to have everything in it. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to copy it, then we're going to open up RP5 and we're going to paste it in there. And now we have it there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go all the way to the bottom and we are going to write our conclusion. Now I'm not going to write a conclusion for this paper here, but just remember what the 3 steps are, or the 3 sentences are, and I'll paste them in here. In the conclusion, you're going to have the first sentence, which is a restatement of your thesis without the becauses. You're going to have a restatement of the reasons and a general statement about the topic. We'll look at a more specific example in a few moments. You then go up to the top above the thesis statement and you write your introduction. And this is going to include, and again I'm not going to write it here, but I'll give you an example in a few moments. You're going to write the introductory paragraph, which has, as we indicated before, a hook, connection to the thesis, and the thesis statement, which you have already written. So it goes in there. And once you've done that, you've finished your writing. Now we're going to go down and decide if we want to use the fact or the paraphrase. let's say we want to use the quotation or the paraphrase. Let's say on this one we like the quotation, so we're going to take out the paraphrase and we're going to delete it. Here we like the paraphrase, so we're going to take out the fact and delete it. And down here we like the paraphrase again, so there goes the fact. And we go down here, there goes a quotation. We like the quotation, so we're going to take out the paraphrase. And we go here, we're going to take out the paraphrase again because we like the quotation. And that is it. And so we are now finished. The only thing missing in this particular essay is that there is only one fact in each paragraph, and there should be two in one, unless I have missed that, and I have missed that. So anyway, but at any rate, that is the method by which you complete RP5. So let's go back and look at the list for RP6. So we're going to scroll down here, and this is even shorter than RP5. You're going to open RP5 and RP6. RP6 should be blank. Copy RP5 to RP6. Number 3, which is really what you're doing, is you're making this thing now look like an essay. So you want to take out extra words. You want to indent the first line on each paragraph and remove all extra spaces between lines and paragraphs and turn all the lines blank. So now let's go back here and see what that looks like. So we have RP5 here. We are going to again copy RP5 and we are going to paste it into RP6, and that's what it looks like. Now as far as the extra words you want to take out, we're going to want to take out the words thesis statement. We're going to want to take out the words body paragraph. We're going to want to take out the words topic sentence. We're going to want to take out the word fact. We're going to want to take out the words commentary. We're going to want to take out the word commentary again. We're going to want to take out the words concluding sentence. And then we're going to want to take out all of the extra spaces. So we want to get that. We want to get the quotation up there. We want to start our commentary right here. And we want our concluding sentence to be right here. Okay? And so now we're going to go on to the next body paragraph. We're going to take out the extra word. We're going to take out topic sentence. We're going to take out paraphrase. We're going to take out commentary. We're going to take out commentary. We're going to take out concluding sentence. And then again, we are going to take out extra spaces. So, but what we have to do, remember, is to indent your first word of each paragraph, or the first line of each paragraph, and then you bring everything together, bring everything together, bring everything together. And so now this looks like a couple of paragraphs, right, except for the color. And so you repeat the process for paragraph 3, we did have 2 facts here. Okay, good. So let's do paragraph 3 just as an example. So again, we're going to take out the words body paragraph 3. We're going to take out the words topic sentence. We're going to take out the word paraphrase. We're going to take out the word paraphrase. We're going to take out the word commentary. We're going to take out the word commentary. We're going to take out the word concluding sentence. Actually, we're going to take, here is the mistake. There should be only one concluding sentence. So I'm going to remove that. I think the person who wrote this will probably have to do a little bit of editing to make sure that their concluding sentence works. But there should be only one concluding sentence. So again, we're still taking out the extra words. And so this is going to be our next paragraph. So we're going to hit the delete. We're going to go down here and indent. Then we're going to bring the fact up there. We're going to bring the commentary up there. We're going to bring the next fact up, or the next commentary up. Then we're going to bring the fact up. And then we're going to bring the commentary up. And we're going to bring the concluding sentence up. So just looking at these three paragraphs now, they look good again except for color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight everything, and we are going to, we're going to turn it black. Now notice that there are some bold, there's some bold type in here too. We are going to want to get rid of that, but one thing at a time. We're going to go to text color, turn everything black. Then we are going to go, we have to get rid of the bold. Okay. We'll highlight everything. And again, we're trying to get rid of the bold here. So we'll click bold. Everything's bold, unclick bold, and then everything is regular type. And so you do that including the introduction and including the conclusion paragraph. And then you have finished RP6. And the next step is going to be to add the works cited page and have one of our friends review what you have written. That will be RP7. Thank you. I hope this helped.